What's up, YouTube? So I got some cheap inverters. Wanted to do this for a little while. Actually got this one about 3 days ago, and I'm going to do a little series on me testing these cheap inverters. So basically what I'm going to do is hook it up to this power supply here and try to see if I can blow it up and destroy it. It is cheap. I mean, even the box is cheap. I already took a gander at it, so it's a little bit of an unboxing video too, but let's check it out. So basically who makes this is Favale. Yeah, words. Like I said, it's 150 watts, so I mean it'd be good for your little vacuum for your car or whatever. But other than that, probably not much more than that. I'm gonna use a hairdryer to test it, see if it pops. So it's 12 volts, 110 AC. And let's see what kind of specs it has. You know, it says space saving. I mean, it's a box. It's tiny. Space saving. Perfect. There's not much of it in the description. Like I said, I chose the cheapest of the cheap in these videos, so this is the first of many I'm doing. I like to do the little solar charge banks too that have inverters in them. Oh boy, I'm gonna test those too. I'm excited to do this if you don't already know. Let's see. There is not much information on this nugget here. So apparently you can input DCs. It says 40 amps. That doesn't seem right, but you know, that's not true. Oh, it has an 18-month worry-free warranty. We're gonna freaking check that out. And 100% customer satisfaction. Bullshit. I mean, bullcrap. Alright, so it has two USB ports at 3.1 amps. Okay, see, this says 300 watts. The description says 150 watts. So we might not come anywhere close to blowing this up with this power supply. That's a problem. So we're going to get started. So unbox this thing. And I've already taken a gander at this. It's the cheap of the cheap. So. Alright. Oh, see, it says it has two USB ports at 3.1 amps. Yeah. Yeah. It also says it has two standard outlets for laptops. To me, it looks like they just copy and pasted the description of another inverter, which is probably a 300 watt, which has two, probably have the same mechanism, but the same electronics, just two instead of just one. But yeah, let's plug this thing in and see if it does anything. Which I think I just got some Amazon packages up front. Here we go. It's gonna blow up. Alright, it is pulling 0.2 amps. It's on. It's doing something. So I got that. Let's see. See, green light. Green light. Bop, bop. Green light. So let's test. Let's check with LED light. No, I'd rather not blow up my LED lights. Probably should have figured this out before I did this. Alright, so what do I got that's USB and I can charge? Oh god. Blinking. Oh, fudge it. we're gonna try the LEDs I got here. So first one. Oh God, here we go. Oh, it's working. It went up to 0.5 amp. Alright, so that one works. Let's try the second one. This one's supposed to be 2.1. Yeah, she's working. Alright. So that works like that. Let's see, 150 watts. Alright. Let's see. I mean, it's all made of metal, so I mean, it's actually not too bad of a quality. But this is gonna be the true test. Your boy's got a hairdryer. I don't know what this is gonna do. It'll probably pop the fuse before it does anything crazy. It didn't even want to try. Nothing. And it does. Oh, okay. You can see it. The startup amp watts is probably too high. Alright, so that's out of the question. I'm be using that. I was really hoping to blow this thing up too. Shikaka. Alright. But I do have a fan available. So we're going to try that fan. So that bad boy is plugged in. And we'll try. Dude, this thing can't even power a fan. And I tested this earlier. And that fan only pulls about 70 watts on low. And that's not even... Wow. Alright, this is getting ridiculous. Alright, let's... I can't even power any of this shit. Alright. Come on. Let's see. We're going to try to find something. Probably should have checked this before I even gotten involved in this. So I do have a Ryobi charger here. If I can get it without dropping this load of shit. You see my 6-pack? No. Alright, apparently I'm grabbing more than I wanted to. Alright. This is for LEDs. Don't need that. Here's the Ryobi charger. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Wow. Alright. Let's see if you can power your Ryobi crap on the go with your car. They can't freaking handle the... Can't handle it. You know what, I might have foobarred. I think I had the current set too low on that. But we'll reset that and try again. I don't think it's gonna go. Alright, let's see. Current go low? Yeah, I did. That was my bad. And it's holding it. Alright, so there's the fan. Whoops. Alright, so here we go. We are going to plug this bad boy in. Apparently that pulls a little bit. It shot up to 0.4 amps being drawn. Alright, so I can get this out of the way now that we know it's going to work. Alright, so hair dryer time. Hair dryer's plugged in. Let's see. You can see that. I don't know if you can see it or not because of the light. But let's try the hair dryer. Fuck no. It didn't even try it. It does do the fan though. Alright, so we'll unplug this back out. Ain't got enough balls for that. But I want to see the Fanaroni. It does work. Like I said, it was like 70 watts. And I'll show you if the camera lets me. So yeah, 70 watts, about 70. And right now at 70 watts, it's pulling in 5 amps. Wish I had more stuff to try to knock this thing down. Blow it up. But that was interesting, and it wouldn't start that. Alright, so that's 5 amps. That thing's only rated for like 10 amps, I think the power supply is. But I'm working on something. I got something coming in the mail for actually testing these things. So if I don't blow this one up, I'll try to blow it up on another day. Which I know, blowing stuff up on the internet's not like... But, you know what I mean. Shouldn't say it. But I will definitely try to disintegrate this thing. So what I need to do is unplug this bad boy. And the thing is, they don't give you a power switch. That kind of scares me. Should be able to turn that off and on with no problem. But I will try to discharge the inverter part real quick with the fan. Just to get it down, so I don't burn myself or destroy myself in the process. So, all right, let's take this bad boy apart and see how cheap it is. Let's see, screwdriver, bop bop. And like I said, I'll put this back together and try to blow it up on another day, maybe with another inverter. Everything should be here for testing. Testing it Monday. I just got some incandescent bulbs and some light bulb sockets and a what do you call it, dimmer switch. Hopefully that's enough to kind of make a variable voltage or variable wattage load. Oh, why no? I should take apart. Let's see if it even has a fuse. Let's see if it has a fuse in the dongle here, in the cigarette lighter part. Let's see if it's even fused. It is not. That's great. It's not even fused. Look at that. It's soldered on there. That is some cheap stuff right there. I almost said shit. Ah, okay. Okay. I mean, for what it is, there's the ground's not even hooked to anything, which makes sense. Look how small them wires are. I see why they're saying it's only 150 watts. Let's see about getting this back part off. I think the first thing to go on these little inverters is like the MOSFETs, I think. I could be wrong. Do not quote me at all. But these things are interesting. How cheap this bad boy is. At least if I get shocked on camera, you guys will get to see it. I did shock myself earlier when I was putting that inverter in. That was neat. Felt great. Damn, this thing is cheap. That one's cross-threaded in there. Nice. Alright, so we got all the screws out of here. That's just the fan. Oh wow, there's your fuse. They do fuse it. kinda. So I don't know if you guys can see it or not. If not, I will zoom in on it in the video. But there is a fuse right there. Right there. Oh, as I'm doing that, but there's a fuse right here. And I can't see what it is. To me, it looks like... Come on. Will this even come out of here? No. Oh, you tricky SOBs. You put a freaking screw right behind this. Wow, someone's really playing their music. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Little T-bar, I guess, just to hold it in there. I'm kind of scared to touch anything. I don't want to die. Oh, okay, got it. Guess that's it. Here, another screw. Let me guess, all this gunk is gonna hold it in there. All right, come on, you turd. Now you're trying to stick my dick beaters in there. Got it. All right. Eat my shorts. Okay. So this right here is the wire holder. Oh, okay. You're coming out that way. Can I? Could I? Will I? All right. I got it. Okay. So, you cheap of the cheap. Wow. Alright, so I'll take this camera and show you. Right up there is, flip this over here. 25 ampere. That's what it is. 25 amps. So you'd have to put some, what is that? Math. 250, 300. I mean, 300 watts. I mean, that's what it says on the description. It's 300 watts. Huh. Okay. It's not bad. So, yeah, that's 250, blah, 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 math. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, 300 watts. On paper, or based upon that fuse, it's 300 watts. Then that's probably not continuous. So, yeah. Here I am thinking, I'm going to be able to blow this thing up with 150 watts. It ain't gonna happen. Or, just try to see if it's gonna blow up. But yeah, that's the first one. It's cheap. 100% cheap. Smells like burnt electronics. That'd be pretty neat if I can put this in something, but damn, them welds though. I say welds, solder joints. They are rough. Roughity rough. And that's where, if you look, that's where that little T-bar went right here in between these two with these pads. So, I mean, in all, it ain't horrible, I guess. Not for $16. But that's not bad. I mean, it worked. For, 70 watts, that's all I could put to it, but she worked. Alright guys, if you like the video, like it. If you like the channel, because I plan on making more of these on a weekly basis, subscribe. If you enjoy taking stuff apart as much as I do, watch my videos. Like and subscribe. I'll see ya. Boop.